Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Nev's Garage. Now in recent episodes you would have seen us fit some LED lights to the indicators at the front, mainly because the indicators were crystal clear and it made them look cooler. Now on this episode we're also just going to be throwing some LED bulbs in the back indicators too, just to give it a bit more of a modern look when they flash. Alright dudes, so what we're going to be doing is fitting these LED bulbs in the back. It's going to be a super easy job, so let's get into it. Alright, so the process is dead easy. We just take out the socket of the original, take out the bulb, and we've got our new bulb. Now just going to smear some dielectric grease on the base. This prevents corrosion and also promotes conductivity. And then in she goes. Straight back in the hole. Like that. Bob's your uncle. Now the other side. Alright, other side. Same thing, obviously. Out comes the socket and the old bulb. Grease onto the new bulb. There you go. Got him all jizzed up. Into the socket. Back in the hole. Done. Now let's check them out. Uh-oh. What's going on there? It's like a disco. No one's playing the Venga Boys. So this is what the internet calls hyperflash, right? That's due to there being not enough load now on the indicator system. And the original flasher can is a type that works on load. So you better tune in next episode and we'll check that out. But for now, jump onto the socials and follow us at Gossen Media. And please subscribe to our channel here on YouTube. Keep liking and sharing. And we'll see you next time on Nev's Garage. Sweet, 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 sweet.